Hey everyone, so thank you so much for your purchase, and this is an instruction how to set everything about the BOSeTamper. So as you see now, the screen is off because there's a power switch button that you need to turn it on. So I use just a pen and then just press it. So if you still have the juice in the battery, then you will see this. So now we have two buttons on the top. So on the left is for shortening the depth of the tamper. The right one is basically to bring it even lower. So I would suggest try number 15 or 14. I usually to use those one to start with. So nice 16. So okay, so there is a optical sensor which basically shining through the porta filter holder, and then punch and so right. And then I usually just leave it on the counter and charge it. You will see the red indicators there, or if you have chargers like mine, it will give you those. I like to get something that give you those lights just to give you more. All right, so thank you again for your purchase. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate your help. Just to recap, this is the power button, and then this is the sensor. There's a hole. There's a sensor. These two buttons is to set the depth of the tamper. This on the left is to reduce. This one is to increase. Increase mean even deeper. All right, thank you so much.